So this is my Kali Linux virtual machine and it's running on VirtualBox. Now in order to install the OWASP Juice Shop, we have number of methods, and in this video we are going to explore one of them. So the very first step would be you have to open your Firefox, and I want you to open a website. Uh, so what you have to type in the search bar, you have to type OWASP and then Juice Shop. After that type GitHub and then hit enter. So as you can see, the very first result, uh, go with that URL. It's really very hard for me to pronounce this name, but make sure that you follow all the instruction from this particular GitHub repository. And if I scroll down a little bit, so okay, so it contains all the information regarding your OWASP Juice Shop. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see all the setup information. As I have already told you, there are a number of methods through which you can install the OWASP Juice Shop on your Kali Linux machine. I'm gonna go through the Docker one. So if you scroll down a little bit, okay, so here we have our Docker container. So through this method we can deploy our OWASP Juice Shop on our Docker container. So the very first step is you have to install the Docker. So make sure that you have Docker installed on your Kali Linux machine. If you have not installed and you don't know how to install it, then I have already made a video. I will put an I button here and I will also put the link in the description box. So just make sure that you first install the Docker on your Kali Linux machine. It's not a very hectic procedure. It will hardly take 10 minutes. So if you have not installed the Docker yet, go and install it and then start from this second step. Okay. So I have already installed the Docker on my Kali Linux machine. Let me show you. So I will open my terminal here. So if I write here Docker and then -v, you can see that Docker has been already installed in my Kali Linux machine. So the very first step is you have to install the Docker. So go and install it, and if you have already installed it, then start from the second step. As the second step says, we have to run this particular command on our terminal, and it requires the usage of Docker. So we have to start the Docker first, and then we will run this particular command. So what you will do, you will just get back to your terminal and you have to start the Docker first. So in order to start any service on our Kali Linux machine, what we do, we type service and the name of the service, that is Docker, and then start. Hit enter. Okay, so in order to check that service has been started or not, we will check the exit status of this previous command. Type here echo and then $sign along with the question mark, hit enter, and you can see exit status is 0. It means the previous command has been successfully executed. And now what we will do, we will go back to our Firefox and now we will copy this particular command here. Okay, so copy it and now go back to your terminal and paste it here, hit enter. So now it's gonna take a little bit of time, depends upon your internet speed. I'm at my hometown, so I'm not sure that how much time it will take. uh, but if you have a good internet speed, it will hardly take a lot of time because it's a very small in size, 2 MB and 24 MB here, 2 MB next. So okay, let's see how much time it will take. The step number 2 has been completed, and it took a lot of time. And if I show you that most of the time it actually failed, I don't know, it's all because of the low internet connection, but it keeps telling me that it's unauthorized, authentication required, and all these things. And what I did, that I tried many times. So you can see here that I tried first, second, third, and fourth. So finally at the fourth time, I got all the things completed and downloaded. Now what we will do, we will just move to the next step. So the next step says that you have to run this juice shop. So in order to run this, you have to copy this particular command here, copy this one here, and I will paste it in our terminal, hit enter, and let's see if it's work or not. Okay, so finally our server has been started on this particular port, and now what we will do, we will just browse this particular okay, port address. So I will just open this part in the new tab. So finally we have installed our OWASP Juice Shop on our Kali Linux machine on our Docker, and it's working perfectly fine. Although we have faced a lot of issue while running the second step, as you can see here, while running the second step, the command that is given on the second step, we have faced a lot of issue every time. We are getting an error that is authentication required. So you don't have to worry a lot about that. It could be possible that it's all because of my low internet connection or some hardware clock issues. So don't worry about that. What you have to do, you have to try one more time, just I did. And as you can see that at the end, I got everything completely installed, and it's perfectly running on my machine. So you are a techie. If you face any problem, you have to solve it. Okay. So you have to go on GitHub, you have to go on any other website, you have to check for the solution. So just let me know that if you face any problem while installing this OWASP Juice on your Docker container. So it's my humble request that if you face any kind of issue, any kind of problem while installation of this OWASP Juice on your Docker container, please let me know. I will definitely try to solve your issue. So now finally we have installed our OWASP Juice Shop on our Docker machine. Now you can start your pen testing. You can check for all the top 10 vulnerabilities here. You will love this particular OWASP Juice Shop, and you will learn a lot of things here. Okay, let's close this session now. We will definitely meet in the next video. Till then, stay curious, stay protected.